Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol FRFS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the green line here is coming from. And a very nice day today, not only because it was green, but more so from a bigger picture perspective, because the price seems to have stabilized at this point in time. Yesterday, the big question mark was, wow, the bears made a pretty big push downwards. Are the bears gaining momentum? Is this the start of something bigger? Well, doesn't seem so, because if that was the start of something bigger, then the price would have had, another bearish day where it was breaking down through all these levels of support. But not only did the price hold above the 3-cent level of support that I talked about yesterday, but to kind of just add more fuel to the fire in a good way, the price also remains above that purple line, which I've been talking about time and time again, the 50-period simple moving average. And even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period, and you know that from a bullish perspective, that is, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, and that's what you want as somebody that is long or bullish on the chart. So again, twofold, stayed above 3 cents and is still up above that purple line there. So sure, it wasn't nearly as exciting as when the price was, making explosive moves like this, but taking a step back, looking at things from the big picture, still a very healthy day, because it seems as though the price, has stabilized. Now, there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, so I'm not sitting here and saying, because it's for sure stabilized, grab your kids' college tuition money and put in that. That's not what I'm saying at all. I'm just saying that as it stands right now, it is a logical statement to make that, hey, it's looking like things have stabilized, but again, no such thing as a guarantee. What about areas of resistance? Shorter term area of resistance currently right up here at 0.055, and if the bulls can push up through 0.055, the next key level of resistance up there at that 7 cents. So 0.055, 7 cents, next two key hurdles. All in all, though, as long as the price keeps on building higher bases, and especially as long as it stays above that purple line, as I've talked about before, then the bulls are in full control of the trend. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.